Lija also comes. So you all are here, and first of all, I wish you everyone as a happy Diwali to you and your family also. And just for the going on, one topic is very much important, and that topic is actually what it means. They have given the name of utility. So utility is not a big terms. It means that every items which are scattered in this earth, those which we know that the goods, that the leaves, that the plant, that the everything's what scattered in this earth, if it's having one satisfying power, it's having any usefulness to our human beings, then ultimately it will set that utility. Okay, any doubt now?
No, sir.
Yes. So why utility they have given as a topic for study? All the human beings knows about that. No, it's not right. Just to think, there are many things which our forefathers are knows that some medicated plants, some other hidden potential utility of resources for the time being. As the time passed, we also forget that our first father also did not let us to know. They did not have knowledge for writing all those things. So everything is ruined, and some of what we may know. But of course, there are so many goods still in the process of invention, in the process of finding out, and as they had made our peoples as uh, luxurious. Why the people become luxurious? Because of the time being. Time is moving very fast, and that's why uh, we people become very lazy. So many things due to the laziness of us. We have to found it. We have to discover. Yes, that is saves our time. That saves our prices also. But ultimately, we peoples have the different side effects. Those I'm not going to talk about the some scientific words or the scientific language here. Let it be. That is not our part. But what I means to say that the time is very important. This time we people usually used to go walk some of what distance. It may be chances that some other discoveries will come. The people will go through by that. It also may be possible that the different concept will come for the different peoples. It also going to be happen what we are eating large amounts of rice, breads. Chances there they will observe different type of the capsules, vitamins for us, and by through that we can survive. As usual, that will be the scientific discovery, but we are studying about the utility, and utility has the phases for discoveries or opportunities. We can say that if you talk with the conceptual language of economics terminology, then it will known as the alternative uses, and most probably it goes through opportunity cost. But before of that, I mean to say that we are studying about the managerial economics, and it is a part of the basic economics, that is the advanced economics. And in advanced economics, utility is also bound by several reasons. Before utility or after utility, the measurement of the utility arises, because we people know how much to eat, how much we need, and how much we think. In every sentence, one thing is common, that is, we are talking about the aesthetical things. अच्छा लीजा 5 रोटी खाएगा, विजय 4 रोटी खाएगा, and Chakma will take 7 rotis. So just we are suffering with the numerical fact data. If you'll take 5 rotis, if Lisa will take 5 rotis, she will become successfully, she will satisfied. Or we can say that she will become the satiated period. I was talking about the Vijay also and the Chakma also. So this is the method of the counting system, and this method is given from the past conceptuals thought by the peoples. कितना घर में रोटी बनेगा, तो 10 बना देना, 4 मैं खा लूंगा, 4 मेरी पत्नी खा लेगी और 2 बच्चे खा लेगा, and we will be satisfied. Now also we are doing that with the things in several common families. They are involved, they are practicing this type of the things, and that is good also. The wastage of food and materials will be safe. But in the economics terms, Marshall have the different concept. They have given the cardinal utility theory. Cardinal utility theory. What is the cardinal utility theory? It means, I have explained several times this word, but as a subject, as a fact, as a matter, if I will not explain with the name of the utility, then you will say that I did not teach you that subject. That is in the counting system, in the data form. That what I am talking now, the 537. So that is the data, and that is the cardinal order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the that have the measurement. That means you three peoples have the measurement, because I have measured with by chapatis. That much chapati will take, and will be we will become very satisfied. Marshall have also gained as a surplus thinking about that. The cardinal method is also depend the way of ready to give money for such utilities, because the whole economy is suffering with wealth definitions. Wealth is everything, money is everything. So if we four peoples are suffered, hungry, very much hungry, and hungry cannot be cannot have the measurement, but Marshall said it had. Those who have the purchasing power of their requirements, those who will paid more, then it will be said that he is in the number one, who is more deserving, who is more starving, who is more what to say, hungry about the things. So he had the more utility because he paid the utils of that much. Utility is measured through by the utils. Okay, we cannot use the in the form of the monetary forms. Utility is measured through by the utils. We use the words utils. So there will be the first, second, and third. What in the it will be found in our marks in percentage also that you are studying. We don't know who will be the first, second, and third. The concept will given by the Marshall, and Weasley gives you marks also, and by that marks will be award you as per your work. Will provide some marks. That is the evaluation method. Actually, Marshall definitions can correctly not work. I'm talking only about the marks percentage first, second, and third. That is bound through by the staticals data. That's why. The next method comes that is about the ordinal methods that is given by the Hicks and Allen. Most probably Hicks explained this. And Hicks said that utility cannot be measured because we don't have any instrument that can be measured. Vijay is more hungry than Lisa, and Lisa is more hungry than Uzna, or Uzna is more hungry than anyone because we don't have any yardstick of measurement that can be said that who is more hungry, or just by paying the utils, that I mean that money, we cannot say that Vijay is having more utility of that goods. It depends upon the income, purchasing power, isn't it? Lisa सो गई?
Yes, sir.
उजना, Lisa, where are you?
Sir, yeah.
सो रहे हैं?
Yes,
Sir. No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
सो रहे हैं ना?
No, sir.
No,
अरे,
sir.
I know. Just join and you are making some what to say rangoli. I think today is Deepavali na.
No,
So
sir.
do you know how to make rangoli?
Yes, sir.
So today you will make that rangoli or no?
No, sir.
Why? Not interested. Vijay know very well how to make rangolis. He is making. Vijay,
Yes, sir.
you know na how to make rangolis?
Yes, sir, but don't make it.
Huh?
Sir, I know how to make rangoli, but I don't make rangolis.
Why? Are just try it, beta. It is very much interesting. It is very much interesting. If you say, I will also join to you for making rangolis. Let it be. It's not like that. Uh, Hicks and Allen. That is the ordinal method they have given, and that method is about. Um, he mean that no one can be able to calculate utility of any person just by giving some money or other things. Other things means uh, for any interchangeable assets, because It is the something what we can calculate as first, second, third, or A, B, C, D. But it will be whole like that. First is not greater than second, or second is not greater than first. It is simply the Roman numbers which will identify the person or identify the percent of the peoples who are involved on those goods, buying and selling or purchasing. But it cannot be means that A is greater than B or B is greater than C. For I'm giving you one example. You three-person have given a competitive exam, and you all get 40 marks out of 50. So what shall I do? I am not right to give you the percentage. I have to give in the common figures. So I have just given A, B, C, D. So what it means, A is not greater than B and B is not greater than C, or C is not greater than B or B is not greater than A. So it's simply given one of the value in a order form, and each and every one having the same utility of same product. Got it?
Yes, sir.
There is still there is the total utility and marginal utility is also there. What is the total utility and what is the marginal utility? Total utility is the sum of the units which eaten by Lisa, Chakma, and Vijay. That the roti I mean, like four roti eaten by Uzna, four roti eaten by the Lisa, and five roti eaten by the Vijay. So for Vijay, it must be countable that he had eaten one roti and he get uh, 20 utility. 20 utility because we know that he will be fully satisfied on 5 roti. That's why we will say that in first roti he will get 20 utility. 20 utility. And in you can say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these four lines carries about the utility of Vijay. So I'm talking about the total utility TU. Oh, just you wait. Okay. So this one is the TU, total utility. 1 minute. This one is about the total utility, and num that is the numbers. Okay. In the first chapati, what you will get? You will get 20. In second bread, you will get 40. In third, you will get 60, 80, 100. So it is the sum total of getting utility. So TU is equal to sum total of marginal utility. And what is the marginal utility? It is known as TU n minus TU n minus 1. Okay. Vijay, are,
Yes,
दिख
sir.
रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the marginal utility? Marginal utility means if any persons taking one extra additional unit for getting more satisfaction from the total utility is known as the marginal utility. One extra additional unit it means. So by taking one extra additional unit, how much he got the marginal utility by one unit, it will be measured. So just you see here, in the first roti 20, here also remain 20. But in the second roti, that is TUN minus TUN minus 1, 40 minus 20 is 20. Again 60 minus 40 is how much?
20.
20. No, it will be not. One second, okay. TUN. So TUN minus 20, 40 minus 20. One second. Because it will be not same, it will be different. Yeah.
Sir, marginal utility will be decreasing.
Yes, it will be in decreasing order. So I think in the first column you have to leave. Okay. This column must be the 20. 60 minus 20 is 40. And 40 minus 80 is 20. And 100 minus 20 minus 100 is 80. It must be like that, I think. 20, 40. So let me see once. 6 minus 40, 60 minus 40 is 20. Again 80 minus 60 is 20. 100 minus 20. No, it will be like that, okay? Once we will practice, we'll see the um, how this one is going on. So we can easily make it like 15. Just use see once. Okay, marginal utility must be the 20, isn't it? In the first column also be same of the total utility, okay? And on second column, um, 20 minus 13. So it will be become the same here. It's all right. Uh, Due to having the difference of the 2040, that's why it will be like that. Actually, by taking one extra additional units, it will be like that. It will be also remain same. And what you have, we have to think about, again 40 minus 20, we have to write 20. 60 minus 40 is 20. 80 minus 60 is 20. 100 minus 80 is 20. So now this one, by the one extra additional units, it will be like that. But in the actual sense, I will show you, just you this will be not happened actually, because our total utility is going on in increasing by increasing, but marginal utility will be remaining constant. Just 20 by 40, 20, 40 by 60, 60 by 40 is 20, 80 by 60 is 20. I will show you one second. Let's go to there, and again I will present here. Yes. Just think, yeah. Okay, just look over that. Vijay, just you see the number of the Rasgulla is given and the marginal utility. So this one we have to write here first. Like in the first Rasgulla 15, second 28, third 38, 4 46, 5 50, and 652. Up to here we have taken 7, 8, 9. We have not taken. We have taken 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100 up to 58. These things I will discuss later. Just you see, In the place of 15, marginal utility is 15. So 28 minus 15 is how much? Hello? Lisa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I think you all are busy somewhere or what?
Yes, sir, we are there.
Huh?
Sir,
Yes?
uh, sir, actually, uh, all subject teachers are giving us assignments. So because from 23rd our midterm exam is starting,
Yes,
but
yes.
in economic
I
subject,
am also give you. I am also trying to give you. Don't worry. I will call you as in the class, and at the same time, I will provide you assignment also. So how they give an assignment? There is the power presentation also.
No, sir.
no,
So,
it's a handwritten assignment
huh? What they have
and
given? In
class
which way they have
discussion.
given? Huh?
So class discussion and handwritten assignments.
Okay, okay. So I will also try to give like that. But first of all, uh, you don't have to worry about that. You do tomorrow also. Just listen here. Actually, what I have did there are the same numbers have come. Let us check whether we have done wrong or not. So what is that? In the first instant, 15, 15. Again, on the second column, just you see 28. So what they have did, 28 minus 15, 13. Again, what they have done, 38 minus 28, 10. So we will have to take the different data. Otherwise, the same will be happen. And our marginal utility will become the straight line, sum of what. But marginal utility never be come with the straight line. It might be in the decreasing order. So we will take this example for that. And I think you all get bored. So I'm going to stop my presenting. And please don't forget about the total utility and marginal utility. So I have taught you utility, total, and marginal utility. Uh, and also it is very much important to know about the cardinal and ordinal methods. So that also you have to know. Number of students present 3, absent 1. So thank you very much for attending today class. Wish you very
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Happy
Thank you,
Diwali.
sir.
happy Diwali, you and your family both. Thank you very much.